Now, we've got a pretty slow day in the crypto space. I believe a lot of people are going to watch the Super Bowl. A lot of people are putting their money over there today. And a lot of people are going to be waiting on the outcome of that. But now is the time. Guys, ignore all of the noise out there. In my opinion, now is the time to be focused on crypto. And that is exactly what I am doing. I am building up for the bull market rally. I am building up for what's to come, and I'm building up because we are beaten down, sitting a level of 8 extreme fear right now. In my opinion, we've got a long way to the top. So let's talk a little bit about it in the video. We're going to be going over Shiba Inu coin, checking out as futures jump 16% with traders rebounding or eyeing a rebound above that 600 point per coin mark. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that AI now runs YouTube, and they are allowing discussions, analysis, and news about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and blockchain technology. That's all that this video is, okay? It's a simple discussion. We're going to be going over the news articles. We're going to be going over the price action. We're going to be going over the markets, all that good stuff. But it's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about cryptocurrency and the latest news. Now, right now, you can see a 2-3% gain across the board, which is very nice. A little volatility over the last hour here as prices are bouncing around, coming back down a little bit. A green day, a red hour, and of course a red week as the entire market has been brutalized over the last couple of days. Now, that brutality brought the fear and greed index down to a level of 8 extreme fear. This is very, very low. Okay, this is among the lowest. 5 extreme fear a couple of days ago was the lowest that we had ever seen. And of course, if we do turn to the downside once again, it can go even lower. But a lot of analysts are saying that this is a potential bottom, and a lot of futures traders are now jumping in anticipation that the bottom has been hit. It says that futures open interest has risen 16% as traders regain confidence, even as Shiba Inu coin's volume drops and price stabilizes above key support levels. Shiba Inu coin has drawn renewed attention from derivatives trader as futures activity posts a notable increase. The move reflects improving sentiment despite the ongoing pressure in the broader crypto market. Data shows traders positioning cautiously while watching for a potential price rebound. However, declining spot volume continues to temper expectations. And guys, if you scroll on down to Shiba Inu coin, you can see that the volume today is $137 million. This is about in line with what Shiba Inu coin has been performing recently, but it's nowhere near Shiba Inu coin's glory days. Shiba Inu coin was sitting at $40 billion in volume when it spiked up in 2021. $40 billion. Compare that to the $100 million that it's doing now, and this is nowhere near what we've seen during actual bull markets. And I want to point that out, right? We might have ETFs. We might have some regulatory clarity. We might be transitioning and moving towards a more stable path for cryptocurrency. But it's the interest from retail investors that's not there. And you can see it on chart after chart after chart. You look at this, Shiba Inu coin is now being destroyed by Polymarket searches out on Google. Think about that. More people are interested in Polymarket predictions than they are in buying meme coins. Even one of the largest meme coins in the world. So retail interest may be trending in a different direction right now, but I absolutely believe that it will return to Shiba Inu coin, to meme coins, to cryptocurrency, and so on. It has simply been a prolonged period of fear and extreme fear that has caused the interest to sway. Now, as it returns, volume should rise. As volume rises, demand should rise. And as demand rises, Shiba Inu coin's price should rise as well, which is why I continue to accumulate in anticipation of that increase. It says, according to CoinGlass data, Shiba Inu coin's futures open interest climbed by 16% within the last 24 hours, and a total of 11.2 trillion SHIB has been committed to the futures market, valued at roughly $69 million. The open interest often reflects trader demand and directional conviction. The increase suggests participants are rebuilding exposure after recent price weakness. CoinGlass data shows that Gate Exchange leading this renewed positioning. Traders on the Gate account for 41% of Shiba Inu coin's total open interest over the period. They committed 4.7 trillion SHIB, worth about $28 million, and BitGet follows with 13%, valued at $9 million. OKX and LBank hold 11 and 1%, representing $7 million and 7. I think they had a 7 million and 7 million respectively. They might have missed a 1 on that one right there, or a 0. It might be 11.2 and 10.28%. Or no, it's 11.21 and 11.28 if it's 7.7 and 7.8. So they missed a 0 in their article there. It says, despite the rise in futures interest, the optimism remains selective. Several traders continue to limit exposure due to lingering volatility risk, and CoinGlass data suggests that leverage usage remains measured compared to previous speculative spikes. People are buying in, but they're not buying in at the same levels. People are buying in, but they're not buying in with the same conviction that they once did. And that's okay, right? People have been smoked by leverage trades and liquidations over the last couple of months. Shiba Inu coin's decline here caused a lot of leverage positions to be liquidated, and nobody wants to get liquidated. So, of course, you would go in, and instead of buying on 20x leverage or 10x leverage or 5x leverage, you might buy in on 2 to 3x leverage. And that's what traders are starting to do. They're dipping their toes in the water. They're testing it out. They're seeing if the market reacts positively. And when they get their confirmation, when they get their conviction, that is when things can really take off. So I'm accumulating Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies in 2 places right now. Number 1, on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. This is your access to the blockchain amongst many others. You know, it's like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and so on. Very easy user interface to use. You guys get a link for it down in the description if you want to check it out there. And of course, the KCEX exchange. Both of these have their pros and cons. You guys can check them out for yourself. Just because I use it doesn't mean that you need to use it, but I've made my decisions, right? KCEX is extremely easy. They've got leverage trading, some of the best selections of cryptos and meme coins that you've ever seen before. And of course, it's an excellent centralized exchange. Now, if you guys are interested, you get links down there for it. Make sure to let me know what you think. And of course, don't forget to diversify. Bitcoin Hyper has done a fantastic job of raising $31.3 million at a time when the entire market is showing fear and extreme fear for as long as it has been. Guys, if it can do this well, building a Bitcoin layer 2 blockchain when people are extremely fearful, I can only imagine what happens when people are greedy or even neutral. Think about that. Man, I don't even want to imagine extreme greed. This thing could blow up. I'm hoping for the best. I want to know what you guys are hoping for. Remain optimistic. Speak positivity and life into your portfolios. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.